Howdy folks, TJ here. I have a bit of a special unboxing today to do for my 8-bit zone or my AquariZone because I do have a permanent, mostly permanent because I have him adhered to the back of my credenza desk thing is an Aquarius computer. That is in the gullet of AquariBot. That little clear plastic thing, and I've made videos before, so if you've been on my channel, you know that I have a cool Aquarius setup. And that setup is a clear Aquarius mini computer with a cool Sony display. And I've been using this Logitech keyboard, wireless one, works fairly well. But, you know, there's something about the clear cased Aquarius that I went out originally and purchased the clear Xbox controller. I don't even own an Xbox, but the cool thing about the Aquarius Mini, you can actually connect a Bluetooth type of controller. Unfortunately, when I first received it, there were some hiccups. I could connect it, but it would forget it. But a new update just came out, version 1.3 for the Aquarius. I downloaded it and reestablished a connection, and it remembered it. We'll check again later today when I try to play it to see if it still remembers it. But not only do I have this controller, which is clear in color so you can kind of see into it. AquariBot is clear and you can see into it. My Aquarius gamepad that's in development is not see-through, but kind of a little bit. You can kind of see into the gullet a little bit. And when you turn on the little light that's up here, this little light turns blue and you can kind of see inside a little bit. So I've got cool, translucent, clear things, and I wanted to stick with that. This keyboard works, but I came across this Kick75 I saw on Facebook by NuPhy, is the name of the company, and they have a cool 8-bit designed, 8-bit styled with some clear essence to the keyboard as well. And it was very, okay, that's the one for this little area. Now I'm hoping it works because the Aquarius, although does work with quite a few USB devices, it's not guaranteed to work with everything. But I'm hoping with the new version 1.3 that I just updated to. And by the way, if you're an Aquarius Mini owner, this new 1.3 update that just came out, guess what? It allows you to connect a hub to the Aquarius. And that hub you can then connect multiple devices to. I haven't tested that yet because I don't have a hub handy. But needless to say, down the road, if any mouse games come into the picture and I need to do a mouse kind of thing, that will be kind of neat. I'll have to explore that later. Until then, let's do a little bit of an unboxing so I can show you why I chose this NuPhy Kick keyboard. It came in 2 boxes because there is a wrist rest and the actual keyboard itself. It was on a special pre-order. They weren't shipping yet. We are soon. $89. The wrist rest was another $19. So it was still a little bit of a hefty purchase. If it don't work with AquariBot and my Aquarius Mini, then I will use it on some other computer. And I'm making this kind of my 8-bit zone, so any modern retro vintage computer, you know, designed that can take a USB type of keyboard, this may be it for me. I've only really got one right now. Is it really only one? Yeah, I think so. Aquarius is the only modern retro that's got the 8-bit connection that uses a USB type of keyboard. I'm trying to think if I have anything else. I'll figure it out later. But let's do an unboxing. Let's unbox the keyboard first. The wrist rest may be second. So this will be a longer video, but then we'll put it all together over here, shine a light, and make sure it looks cool. So let's move this one out of the way. It's no longer going to be needed. Well, needed in other areas maybe. Let me make sure I've got this. I always check because I'll be doing a video and then I'll often forget what it is that I push play or I focused in and I actually turned it off. Anyway, so it comes in a nice box. It says Kick75 8-bit Odyssey. 8-bit Odyssey. Now, is 8-bit Odyssey an actual video game that I'm linking to? I just saw the word 8-bit, and it looked very pixelated, so it was cool. The box kind of has a generic flavor to it. I don't know what this thing says. Does it say OXEO? Oxio? I don't know what that means. Maybe that's something to do with the 8-bit dongle thing here. NuPhy Kick75 wireless mechanical keyboard. And what's neat about this keyboard is it came in a lowrider style, a high rider style, like a 4x4, big old high keys, low profile, high profile. You could actually buy adapter kits, so this is kind of modular. You could buy these kits to make it high, make it low. I just stuck with the low version. I didn't need to spend more money on extra high keys and all that, and I kind of just wanted a low profile design keyboard for over here. So back of this says, let me show you the back as well. Box is fairly generic, but it says Oxio. So what's an Oxio? It says it includes a low profile version, Kick75 keyboard, USB-C data cable, 2.4 gigahertz receiver. So I should say that the keyboards that you will connect to the Aquarius need to be one of those USB dongle 2.4 gigahertz. To my knowledge, the only thing that is Bluetooth would be these controllers. I don't think you could do Bluetooth keyboards, just so you know. Maybe one day, if they could now get a hub in the picture, maybe down the road they can figure things out. Anyway, okay. Keycap switch puller. This is my first. I've never had a keyboard that you can pull switches from. Extra, you can get some that you pull off and you never put them back again because you broke it. But, okay, extra keycaps, stickers, a quick guide, and a Q&A. So let's open up this box. I made a slit someplace, I think, up here. Oh, no, where's the slit? I made a slit someplace. Oh, here it is, on the Oxio side. Okay, the boxes, it came in this really, I don't need to show, in this bright alien bubble wrap envelope. And both things were in it. The boxes got a little, I would say a little smushed, kind of like, you know, a little pushing, but it seems like it was still well protected to where I don't have to worry about it. Now, is this like a sheath that comes off the end? Like a little sheath? I think so. Kind of like a decoration piece, but maybe not. Yeah, it has to come off, because how else is this box going to open up? How do you get this thing off? Is there some galactic goo in here? Oh, shit. What? Is there tape over here? Maybe there's some tapage or something. Let me, you know how when you bake a cake, you run the knife around the edge or brownies? That's what you got to do on this thing. I think that's what I'm doing. And let me do this other side. I think there's some type of adhesive or something in here. I don't know. It's still not coming out, and I don't want to rip it. I like saving my boxes. I know, weird, right? But I'm weird, and I just like, if this ends up being a special keyboard for me, I want to just have the original box. So should I stop the recording? I'm gonna have some smart ass person go, it took you 5 hours to watch. You know, some people, it's so weird. I find, you know, we all have our weird things, but people commenting on people's videos that, oh, you didn't say what I wanted you to say, kind of thing. Oh, you took too long to say it. And then maybe my channel, not for you. Go watch somebody else's channels. And you think about it, people are doing this for free. We're just enjoying it and showing you something. So get off your ass and buy one yourself and figure it out. That's what I say to that. There you go. Okay. So that little part's off. Now, I just rambling. Some people may like these type of videos, some people don't, but I like to just have fun, open up a box, chat about the things a little bit. Okay, so box, oh look, this is interesting. I need to hold it. So it came with an envelope as well up here. That's kind of cool, like a little, hey, happy birthday to you. And it's adhered to here. Oh, the light's blinking. Did I push that? It's going to blow. Look at this. The light's blinking all by itself. Did I hit a key? Oh, I better take this out first. Shit. See, that's why you watch this channel, for the crazy. It's blinking. I don't know what to do. Well, I might as well show the keyboard first now. So here is the keyboard. I'm going to just let it blink because I don't know how to shut the son of a bees weasels off. So here is the front of the keyboard. Top, I should say. And it is you can kind of see it's got clear accent sides. It's got lots of fun colors. It's got a green here, a red volume knob type of thing here, a blue label. How do you turn this thing off? Is it on? Wireless? There's a button on the back. I'm going to hit it to off. Stop blinking. It's good. So I'll show you there. So I don't think I touched it. I just tipped the box over, so it's probably been on for all the shipping it came from China, by the way. It was directly shipped. So here's the top. You can see all the fun colors. You can kind of see the sleek thinness. I'll keep turning it around. Now, this side, it's this side that I'm going to get off camera here so it shows. Look at that. It says 8-bit. Focus in, camera. 8-bit. That looked cool. And then over here, I'm not quite sure that it says 75%. This must be like a battery meter type of thing, or there's some blinking light there. The back of it's got buttons for, looks like, to switch between wireless and off, and Windows or Mac, so it's got both. What's cool about this, since I'm not a Window user, there's not a Windows key on here. I don't want a Windows key on my keyboard. I know, weird. And then on the back is the cool part. Look at, okay, I don't know if this will be able to show it. Focus in here on this baby. It's got a fun 8-bit, maybe this is a video game, but you can see it's got an 8-bit graphic, little dude. It says 8-bit NuPhy or something NuPhy. And it's got an 8-bit design on the back. And that looks so cool. And then on here, like I said, it says 8-bit Odyssey. So there must be an 8-bit Odyssey something. I've never Googled it. I don't play Nintendos. I don't play Xboxes or Sony PlayStations. I play old computers. So anyway, I love the color, the little spots of color. And for the wee blue people like Roy, if you're watching this, Roy, that loves Aquarius, the wee blue key, there is one blue key. Enter. And you'll notice on the back there's some blue little accents as well. So just the whole keyboard looks so bitchin'. There is little legs here to make your keyboard tilt. It's got a little red accent here. And from what I understand is they have 3D printed files that you can 3D print a few of these things. Like maybe this thing, if you wanted it to be different. I don't know why, but if you want to, that would be it. So this looks so fun. It looks... let's look at that. It's got the clear. It looks cool. I'm tickled pink. So let's put this over here and let's look and see what else is included. So it came in a nice. It was blinking. It was on. I didn't turn it on. There's no way I could have got my finger back there. So it was on, baby. Whoever QA'd this one. And so there's a little in here, a little thing to open up, and this has got some stuff inside. This must be the little pullers. So it looks like 2 extra keycaps, double shot PBT. There's an N and a U, or no, there's 5 keycaps, I guess, in here. They do say something. Oh, there's the win key. There's one that says win, but it says ×5. They must be really thin. Anyway, there's keys in here, and then this must be the little puller. I've never had a keyboard puller before. This is a fresh, exciting day. It almost looks like something that you would use to do your eyelash things. Not that I do that. You never know, though. TJ, you might have a different life after hours. And it says NuPhy on there, and it's got little tongs to tong stuff. That's cool. So I'll put that here. I'll put it all in the box properly later. And then here must be the cableage. In here, yeah, it comes, and look, and it's even got nice, fun colors. And so it's the USB-C cable. Came with that. And then inside of the envelope, I'm sure I want to know what's in the envelope. Oh, this must be where the fun little stickers and books. They very well packed this. 8-bit Odyssey Air Series stickers designed by NuPhy. This must be a video game. Sorry, like I said, I don't. Even though it's 8-bit style, it must be a newer type of game. And then there's a Kick75 quick guide, and it's got some pages on here, and then a Q&A, questions and answered. So it's got all this. Look, that's one big old long book, kind of like a book that I would expect size-wise to match a keyboard. That's kind of cool. Okay, so that's everything in this box. Now, what was cool is it came with, well, you had to spend $20 more, or 19 something. This wrist rest that looks really cool, and it looks spongy. It looks nice. And I normally don't use wrist rest, to tell you the truth, but I thought I would splurge and give this one a try. Throw this over here. This one, oh, there's no adhesive on this one came right off. And let's push this up. I need some real estate here. I need real estate. Give me some real estate. Okay, the box, everything's a little smushed. Like, I don't know if that happened during shipping or just during the process of them making it, but everything seems to be okay so far. Let's get this open. And so this wrist rest is in here. Oh, one thing I did note, that when you get stuff directly from China, their adhesive they use is probably, I don't want to say what it is, but it's got a very big aroma about it, like you spilled super glue all over the place. So this has got that, oh yeah, there's a little of that smell in here too. It's got to be on this. Oh, I hope my wrist doesn't deteriorate. But look at this. Look, it's a spongy material, but the bottom is a hard plastic. It's got a little yellow tab here, little blue feet, kind of match that. But look at this. I'm guessing this is the right direction. Oxio. Oh, that feels good. Oh, I gotta do this. Yeah. I've been missing out all these years. No wonder I've got carpal tunnel syndrome. It's like because I haven't been doing something right. And what you can also do, I think this separates. Yeah, look at that. If you don't want this bottom plate and just want to do that, you could do that. I don't think you'd want to just do the plastic one, because then it cuts right into your wrist. That's why you watch my channel. Again, most people appreciate the comedy from it. There's a few that won't, people that just don't like me for whatever reason. Anyway, this... Okay, let me hold both of these now. I'm glad I was able to figure out how to turn it off. So this is the package deal. It's beautiful. It's got clear style to it, so it matches my AquariBot. We'll do another video later with me actually connecting it up and making sure it works with my Aquarius. I sure hope so. If not, well, then I've got a bitchin' keyboard to use with my Mac or Windows PC, which I don't have. I've got a Mac, though. So thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. It feels really good. I know a lot of the keyboard people do this whole, keyboard. I mean, they all make different noise. They all have different tactile responses, but I'll be quiet for a second. I love my NuPhy keyboard. I'm sure I typed that. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.